Okay guys, this is a truck you see in one of our videos where we paint the wheels rose gold. I wanted to show you guys the wheels on the truck. We did these wheels in rose gold with an accent of white to match the truck. It is badass. It is sick. Now this is custom paint at its finest. We did the wheels, we did the caps. Look at that rose. Man, if you see it in the sun, this rose has a metallic in it. The customer's bringing it back. We're going to paint all of the rubber accents on this truck. We're going to paint these rubber accents gloss black, this gloss black. So we're going to paint the power stroke in rose gold, and we're going to do the middle grille, just the middle piece. We're going to do it in rose gold. We're going to paint these accents in gloss black. So we're doing some more customization. We're going to paint the bottom spoiler in gloss black as well. So this is what our work looks like, guys. This is why we are the best, man. This was about 2 weeks long on these wheels, but they look awesome. MyWheelDoctor.com, Houston Auto Concepts. This is another reason why we are the best.